Do you know what really keeps your skin healthy, glowing, and protected? It's not just your skincare products, it's a whole community of microscopic organisms living on your skin. We're talking about the skin microbiome, a powerful ecosystem that works to protect and care for your skin. If your microbiome isn't balanced, your skin can go from clear and vibrant to dull, irritated, and even aging faster. But let's start from the beginning. What exactly is a skin microbiome? An entire ecosystem of bacteria, fungi, viruses, and even mites. These microorganisms live symbiotically with your skin cells, creating a barrier that protects against outside threats like pollutants, harmful UV rays, and even allergens while helping your skin stay balanced, moisturized, and youthful. A balanced microbiome is key to healthy skin, but it's a delicate balance. Every microorganism has a unique role. When the roles fit perfectly, your microbiome forms a robust shield that fights off bad bacteria, heals wounds faster, and even reduces inflammation. With the right balance, your skin stays hydrated, less reactive, and more resistant to conditions like infections, blemishes, eczema, and even UV damage. Plus, a balanced microbiome boosts your skin's natural glow and elasticity, making it look and feel healthy. A healthy microbiome also means a stronger immune system response and fewer visible signs of aging. Now, let's see what happens when things go off balance. An unbalanced microbiome can lead to all sorts of skin issues, from itchiness, irritation, and redness, to dullness, dryness, and blemishes. Without the right mix of microorganisms, your skin's barrier weakens. This makes it easier for harmful bacteria to take over, causing inflammation, breakouts, and a weaker immune response. And it doesn't stop there. When your skin can't hold onto moisture, it looks tired and shows signs of aging faster, like wrinkles and uneven skin tone. Supporting your skin microbiome is crucial if you want resilient, youthful skin. To keep your microbiome balanced, eat a skin-healthy diet, avoid harsh chemicals that can disrupt this delicate ecosystem, and switch to microbiome-friendly skincare. Look for products that don't strip your skin but rather help feed and protect the good bacteria, keeping your skin in harmony. Vibrant skincare is all about creating products that nurture and support these beneficial microorganisms. They're designed to help maintain the right bacterial balance, ensuring your microbiome can keep doing its job, fighting inflammation, improving your skin's barrier, and enhancing immunity. Maintain a healthy skin microbiome and follow us for the latest updates on our upcoming skincare line.